Red Baron Classic Crust Supreme Pizza. I was craving a pizza with some green bell peppers, and this is what they had at Dollar General. This one contains sausage, green and red peppers, pepperoni, and onions. Not wild about the onions, but okay. Sausage is made with pork and chicken. Pepperoni is made with pork, chicken, and beef. It says it has 5 servings per container. You're right, I'm eating half of this tonight. 310 calories per serving. So 5 times 310, you're going to get about 50. So I'm going to have about 725 tonight. Here's your nutritional information. If you want to pause it and check all that out. Actually, a pretty good source of calcium, iron, and protein. Here's all the yummy ingredients inside of it, and I am not going to read all of those to you. If you're opposed to this many ingredients in your food, then you don't need to be buying this product. You have 2 methods of preparing it. You can put it on the rack, which is what I'm going to do. It is the preferred method. That's not why I'm doing it, because they prefer it. It's because I prefer it. Or you can put it on a pan. But I want the crust crispy, so I'm going to put it right on the center rack and bake it 18 to 21 minutes. You have to bake it a little bit longer if you put it on a pan, because the pan's going to soak up some of that heat. Am I the only one who rearranges the pepperoni? They're kind of stuck in there. I guess they'll have to stay. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? I suppose it's just a little empty. Preheat to 400. Oven's preheated. Into the oven we go. And yes, I know my oven needs cleaning. I'm going to set the timer for 18 minutes. Because you can always cook it longer, but you can't cook it fewer minutes. Mine still has a minute left, but it's getting pretty brown, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Nice, right? So I probably should have raised my rack a little bit. But I'm going to put this under the broiler just to get that melted just a little bit more. It's better to raise the racks when the oven's full, but it's not too hard to do. Change it to broil. That top element is going to come on. I'm just going to get that center part of that pizza brown a little bit more. Hey, and I found out that my tongs, you pull that out and they stay closed. Red hot heat. That's all I need. And look at that. Gonna let it cool off a minute, and I'm gonna cut mine with cleaned scissors. You've heard that old joke. Hey, I'm not that hungry. Cut my pizza into 4 pieces instead of 6. Also, I'm going to put in the comments below one of the funniest Saturday Night Live videos that I've ever seen. Barb the Pizza Eater. It's hysterical. I'm going to cut mine into 6 pieces because I'm moderately hungry. I literally am going to eat half of it tonight. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? It has a lot of green peppers on it, which was what I was craving, so I'm excited about that. Looks good. You know you want one. The moment of truth. That's really good. Yummy. After eating the first half of the pizza, I can tell you that it's pretty good. As with most frozen pizzas, they just don't put a lot of cheese on them. But if you want to add cheese to it, you can. It was very tasty. The crust was really good. Just have no complaints on this pizza at all. This Red Baron Classic Crust Supreme Pizza, definitely would buy it again. I can't decide if I want to eat the rest of this or put it in a baggie for later. probably leaning towards watching TV and eating the rest of this over the next couple of hours. So, thumbs up, 10 out of 10 recommend. The crust really isn't a like yeast bread type doughy thing. It's more of like a cracker crust. If that's not what you're looking for, get one of the deep pan pizzas or one of the rising. But it's not bad. Pretty good. Thank you for watching my video on the Red Baron Classic Crust Supreme Pizza. Check in the text below. I can't leave you a link for this. It's the frozen pizza. I don't know, maybe I can. Maybe if you're an Amazon Prime customer, you can get frozen things delivered to you. I really don't know. Anyway, give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. It's free to do that. It's free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. And check back for more reviews on various things that make our life better. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again,